Now, if you are a person that edits with Lightroom, especially if you're a wedding guy, there is a kind of trouble all of us actually encounter during selection of pictures. As you can see, these are different variables. These are different variables, a different image. These images are similar, entirely different. This is a different image. This is a different image. And then these are different kinds of images that are here in my Lightroom software. Now, many persons have problems on selection. How do I select and separate images or even color grade images differently? Now, there is a thing that is called rating in Lightroom that enables you choose your images differently, keep them in different kind of file arrangements, and allow you edit, color grade, and set them up differently, and enable you get your results differently. So I'm going to show you how those things work and then how you can use it to select pictures, especially if you're a person that edits multiple pictures and don't want to be bringing them in at different times. So let's get into it immediately. Now, let's come to this image. Let's say this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? So I want to categorize these images that are here. They were shot under almost the same. From this first image here to this one here, they were shot in the same condition under just a little light condition differentiated. So let's start from here. I'll select this one and I'll click 5 on my keyboard, 5 on my keyboard. Then I'll go to another one. I'll click 5 on my keyboard. As you can see, set rating to 5. This is called the rating process. I'll click 5. I'll come here again, 5. I'll come here again, 5. Come here again, 5. Go again, 5. Go again, 5. Go again, 5 as well. Go again, 5. Go again, 5. So all these ones that I've clicked 5 for, I've selected them to under the 5 category, right? So whenever I'm going to do when you're going to get to that place of rating, you will see what we did here and how it's going to actually separate each of them from how we're going to make our selections. Now let's come to this place. I'm going to use 4 for this one. So what will I do? I'll just click 4, come again, 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 4. As you can see, these ones are 4. If you look down here, you see stars. That means I selected 4 stars for each of these ones. Let me go to a next one. Let's come this. I'll use 3. Come again, 3. Come again, 3. Come again, 3. The max number of star selection is 5 normally. So that is what I'm using here. Now I'm coming to this one again. I'll use 2 for these ones. I'll come click 2. Come 2. Come 2 again. 2 again, 2 again, 2 again, 2 again, 2 again, 2 again, 2. I'll go through this particular set of images that are similar because I want to colorate each of them differently. I'm colorating each of them differently. Now, I'm going to come to this one and use 1 for them. Come to this one, 1, come, 1, come, 1, again, 1, again, 1, again, 1, again, 1, next one, 1. I'm going to use 1 to actually judge the rest. I'm going to use 1 to judge the rest. Therefore, I've been able to categorize all these images into different layers. It's like layer, but it's called rating in Lightroom. So what am I going to do next? I'll come up to this place and you see something called, as you can see here, you can see rated and unrated. This is what we're going to use to determine where we placed all those images. I'll click rated. When I click rated, it will select everything, right? As far as anything from 1 up will all come out, right? So now I want to go for those ones that are rated 5. As you can see here, you see filter, right? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll click 5. What will happen? All those ones that were rated 5 will all turn up. All those ones rated 5 will all turn up. You see, therefore, I've actually separated the ones that I want to color grade and adjust and export differently from the rest. If I'm actually going to select the ones that I want someone to choose from, or even a client is actually done shooting and send it to this place, a client can use this pattern to select his or her pictures so that you will be able to identify them when you're going to edit without you even going through the process of copying it from your laptop to this place and doing much work exercise. Now, as you can see, you see these ones selected, selected, selected. These are the ones that I rated 5. Now, if I apply a preset, I can go about every form of editing, color grade. Let's say I apply a preset. Let me use my preset here. have different presets for different reasons, for different things, you know. Can apply anyone on them, apply anyone. Once I apply it, I can go through all of them, synchronize it to ensure that the colors get to each of them, and then they are harmonious. When I'm done, I'll just select all of them and export it. It makes it easier for selection, it makes it easier to categorize your images. Now, when I'm going to come down to this page, come down to the one that is 4, right? And then you see here, see the one that I rated from 4. See from here, the 4 will all come out. You see the ones that I rated down from here. You see the 4 will all come out. You come to 3. You see the ones that were selected 3 will all come out at the edge of the next one. Let's come to 2. The ones selected 2 will all come out at this edge. You can be editing each of them slowly, and be exporting. When you're done editing another one, go to the next one. You come to this one, the last one, which is 1. Which is this last batch. You can do whatever you want to do. Now, this is exactly used by people that want to select multiple pictures and separate them from the other ones. And then if you're someone that wants your client to make their selections, you can use any number to actually tell the client, okay, anyone you like, press this number, anyone you like, press this number. And then when they are done pressing that number, if you come and click this rotate and choose that particular number that they use, let's say this is 1, this is 2, if they used 3, you click this, select 3. If they used 4, you click 4. If they use 5, you click 5. Let's say 5 now. Exclusively, all the ones that used 5 to select will all turn up here. And then every other one will disappear. So this is usually a way to actually make selections or pick out images and make selections for pictures when you use Lightroom to edit. So do not forget to like, share, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.